I love that feeling after we have cleaned and restored someone's rug and we roll it back out in their home and see a big smile on their face. We haven't just cleaned their rug, we've made them fall in love with their home again and created a safer, cleaner environment for them to enjoy. You can trust us to handle your rug with care. We have over 100 reviews from happy customers rating us 4.9 out of 5 stars. What happens when you're ready to get your rug cleaned? First, we call you to arrange the best time to pick your rug up from your home. We have health and safety measures in place, such as our experts will wear face masks, gloves, and will keep 2 meters away. Next, we'll take your lovely rug back to our rug spa. When it arrives in our facility, we'll start by giving it a quick health check. We'll take photos of your rug and note any concerns your rug and report them back to you. Your rug then goes through our specialist and unique dirt removal process. Your rug will go through our automatic and effective rug duster. It removes various types of dry dirt from the surface, such as sand, dust, dandruff and hair. Going through dusting, the rug is fully immersed in a rug wash tub, which fully cleans it. All stains and fringes are pre-treated at this point. Straight after your rug has been washed, it will be placed in our centrifuge machine. This fantastic machine will have your rug 95% dry within 8 minutes. We then place your rug in our temperature controlled drying room. By controlling the humidity and temperature, we ensure your rug is 100% dry upon its return. Finally, your rug is placed on our finishing table. At this point, we will brush, vacuum and roll up your rug so it's ready for its journey home. This whole process takes just 10 working days. We will call you to let you know when your rug is ready to come back home and we'll arrange a time to return your rug. We will also ask if you wish to purchase a rug underlay, which would be fitted and measured for your rug on return. You're in safe hands. We're a family-run business that's been running for over 25 years. We aim to put a smile on every customer's face. In fact, we offer a 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not 100% over the moon with the rug, you don't pay a penny. Seriously. Join hundreds of people in getting their rug cleaned by McMillan's Rug Spa. Call us today for a free quote to clean your rug on 0141 892 6310.